3x faster than sound, China new hypersonic drone unit deployed and ready for war. China is readying to deploy a cutting-edge high-altitude spy drone, WZ-8, that could travel at 3 times the speed of sound. The revelation was published by The Washington Post and is reportedly based on a secret document from the National Geospatial-Intelligence Agency. The claims, if true, would significantly bolster Chinese surveillance capabilities. The drones are a cutting-edge surveillance system that could assist China in gathering real-time mapping data to devise strategies or carry out missile strikes in a future conflict. Beijing unveiled the WZ-8 drones in 2019, when 2 jet black aircraft were flown past Tiananmen Square to celebrate the People's Republic of China's 70th founding anniversary. At the time, few observers believed the drones were completely operational. 2 years later, in 2021, China debuted its WZ-8 drone at an air show, among other cutting-edge drones like the GJ-11 prototype and the WZ-7, which has become very popular. The WZ-8 is a high-altitude and high-speed UAV for reconnaissance missions and is essentially a brand new near-space aircraft that combines aviation and aeronautic technologies, as previously reported by Global Times. At the 2021 air show, AVIC said in a statement given to the Global Times that this UAV can gather high-resolution photographs of targets under intense enemy defense and provide useful intelligence and information for all troops to undertake battle damage assessments.